Hey guys, this is Richard from Debaroo, and in this video I'm going to be going through my journey to $1,000 a day with cash on delivery affiliate marketing, and we're going to be focused on the sub-vertical of diet. Okay, so as you can see, I am in the Wee Media affiliate dashboard. I'm in the offers section. I've already selected diet in the categories area, and we've got the COD, which is cash on delivery. So for anybody that doesn't know what cash on delivery is, essentially what happens is I send traffic to a offer pre-lander. The person then submits their name and their phone number, and then somebody from a call center gives them a call and confirms that they match the criteria, so to purchase the particular product. Once that match has been made and the customers confirm what date that they'd like the courier to deliver the product, I get paid, and the courier then delivers the product to the customer at their house, and the customer then pays in cash. So that's why it's called cash on delivery, because they pay cash once the product has been delivered to the customer. But we as affiliates, COD affiliates, we get paid as soon as the person at the call center confirms that this customer matches the criteria and there's a scheduled date for the courier to deliver the product. We get paid. So we get paid even before there's any cash or financial transaction that actually takes place. So the best way to look at cash on delivery affiliate marketing is as almost like pay per lead e-com. So we don't deal with any of the bullshit that a lot of e-commerce entrepreneurs have to deal with when it comes to chargebacks, handling products, distribution issues, all of that stuff that happens in the back end. We don't deal with that. We just get paid per lead. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through some of the different offers within the diet sub-vertical inside of the cash on delivery affiliate marketing vertical. So within cash on delivery, there are different types of offers you can run. So there's diet, there's skin, there's teeth, there's brain, there's joint, the list goes on. And within each sort of vertical within cash on delivery, you can kind of see different types of products. And with each different type of products, there'll be different types of ways in which that we can angle our marketing messages to the customers when we're promoting those products and we're trying to generate money off the back of those products. So I've already pre-selected some diet offers, and we're going to now take a look. So here's the first offer. So this is Night Diet Enzyme. Okay, so take a look. So it's a Malaysian offer. Do not cover Sabah and Sarawak. Okay, cool. So that's loading up. Okay, so this is one offer page. Japanese Valley. Okay, cool. So we're gonna pull up another offer. Fruit Thin. So this is a very big product, and this particular brand does really well for generating money. I've made quite a bit with this particular one. So as you can see, Fruit Thin, and it's just one of those sort of tabs that you can put into water and dissolve, or if you're crazy, you can just eat it directly. And the aim is that people that eat this, consume this particular product, can have a body that looks like this lovely lady over here. Let's take a look at another offer, and I'm going to walk you through some ways in which you can angle these types of offers when you are running your cash on delivery campaigns. So let's take another look. So this is Bio Slim, and this is an Italian offer, and it pays out $20 per lead, which is not bad at all. Okay. So this is like pills, so food supplement. Cool. 30 capsules. Yeah, let's take a look. So the Asian markets are very good when it comes to cash on delivery. And there's also some particular European markets that do really well as well. So Italy, Spain, as you've seen already. And here, this particular product is like a kind of like a syrup type of drink. You know those, if you put like the drink or the syrup onto a spoon, you then consume it, and the aim is that helps with your digestive system and helps you to lose weight, and that's the aim of that particular product. Same thing that you can see in your own supermarket. There'll be products that look similar, but in terms of the affiliate marketing, we have the same products but just different brands, and we are promoting these brands through the pay-per-lead model. And there's advertisers who own the brands who make money on the back end. So that's how it works. Very, very simple. So this other product is amino phytin, and this is Philippines. As I said before, the Asian market, so it's the Asian geos, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, these geos do really, really, really well when it comes to cash on delivery, because it's almost like the consumers in these geos expect the cash on delivery model. They're not ready to sort of pay directly online, and they just prefer to pay through cash. A lot of them don't have bank accounts. They like to just pay for things in cash, and they're used to that model. So it just makes sense for them in these geos in particular. So let's have a look at this offer, and then we can walk through each offer one by one and how I would aim to run these offers. So this one is amino phytin, burns excess fat in 4 weeks. Completely removes belly and side fat. Enhances muscle growth by the natural increase of testosterone levels. So as you can see, very clearly, first product for men, 3-in-1. So fat burning, cutting, muscle definition. So already we are being given the angles for this particular offer. So we can just think about fitness angles. So you want to burn body fat, you want to increase muscle definition, or you want to build muscle, right? So here we can see burning fat, increasing definition by removing the belly and side fat, and increasing the size of your muscles, which is why most people in the fitness industry, they work out and they take certain supplements for. That's the aim of supplements in general. So then we can angle that in our advertising and in our pre-landers to pre-frame the traffic before they convert to the offer. So the traffic can kind of focus on one particular angle, and we can see which angle gets the most conversions, and that typically will provide us with the highest ROI, and then we can just double down on scaling that particular angle to a particular offer. And in some cases, you may get multiple angles that provide you with an ROI of 50% or more, and then you can scale both angles, and that gives you more volume and more profits in the long run, because you have essentially more traffic that you can run. So that's how I would look at this. This just by looking at this offer page, I would already know the angle for this particular offer. It's very, very clear. So let's take a look at another one. So this one is not very clear, what the direct product is. In this case, I would just speak directly with my affiliate manager, just understand a little bit more about the product. Yeah, it's not very clear what that is. To be fair, I do not know what this product even does. But if you are, let's see, is it Malaysian? Yeah. So if you're from Malaysia, you're watching this video and you know what this product does, just give you another chance to read it, then please let me know in the comments, because I do not have a clue. So we're going to skip this one. Let's take a look at another one. Okay, so Fruithin is, again, this product, the aim of this product is that you consume the product, these tablets, and you begin to start losing weight. It's almost like those herbal teas, those detox remedies, and there's a female there because it's clearly a product that's more targeted towards the female audience. Because usually with men, if they want to reduce fat, they have a fitness goal alongside it, right? So if you want to lose fat, you probably want to increase your muscle definition. Whereas with females, in general, on a marketing macro level, females tend to not really care too much around the fitness aspect as much. So they maybe just want to lose weight. And that will be just the pure benefit for them for a product. Whereas with men, the weight loss aspect usually correlates with an increase in muscle. Hence why we saw the other offer page look like that, where it had the muscle angle as well matched together. So with this one, the way in which you want to advertise for this particular one, this product is, assisting with, weight loss, reducing, fat, helping, making you look healthier. Those are the sort of angles that you want to focus on, and you're obviously targeting the female audience. Make that very clear. And the main thing with these offers of cash on delivery is that you want to use the offer page as your strategy. You want to take elements from the offer page and use that in the framing of your angles, and to help you generate angles. Because I can get one angle from this offer page, and I can split that angle into 3 sub angles or more off the back of that. And then I know for a fact that, because I've got the initial angles from the offer page, it's always going to sync up during the process, because I know by the time the traffic gets to the offer page, everything could have been synced up, because I know that message A was already taken from the offer page, so that all of the communications in the marketing process all come together, and the user gets a unified and very smooth experience, which then increases the offer conversion rate and makes me, and hopefully you too, some more profit. So let's take a look at another offer. Okay, so this one's Bio Slim, and even just looking at the image of the girl, we're not only seeing quite a slim, kind of like model type of female. We're also seeing, there's some derriere on show, right? So the angle for this particular product could be, reduce fat in the areas that you don't want to have fat. Potentially you could angle it in a way that look better, get that curvy look without the fat. There's obviously better ways of messaging that, but the main thing is that I'm now using the imagery and the context of the offer page to pre-frame the user to get to this page, because I know that this offer page is going to remain the same. So I want to make sure that I'm pre-framing it in the right way, so that when somebody gets to this page, everything seems very unified and very synced up. So a product like Bio Slim, essentially, even just listening to the name and just understanding their name, Bio Slim is a pre-framed way of kind of communicating to the customers that this is a medical way of reducing your fat and kind of slimming down. And if you consume these capsules, you'll begin to lose weight. And that's the way in which you want to frame it. Again, with the female type of offers, when it comes to Nutra, there isn't as much of a push towards like building muscle. It's more towards just losing that belly fat, looking good, looking like a model, and that's how we want to angle it, and that's how we want to focus on it. And as you can see with the offer page, very straightforward: name, telephone, and boom, that's it. And it's always typically there's a discount as well, so then you can utilize the discount in your pre-framing as well. So it's like minus 60%. So that's a 60% off, and I believe that there was another one that had an offer, so 50%. Don't know what that even means. Can't see. Oh, that did have a thing there. Yeah, so there's different discounts here: 20%, 20%, 46%, and again here, the 50% discount. And these are all elements that you can use in your pre-framing when you're driving the traffic to your offer, because it all comes together and it increases the chance of them converting on the offer page. Make sure you use all these elements to help you increase your offer conversion rate and make more profits. That's what it's all about, making more profits. Affiliate marketing is marketing arbitrage, where we buy traffic for cheap and we sell that traffic for a higher value, and we make the profits in between. So maximizing that profit margin is our only goal with affiliate marketing. If you're thinking about other things, then you got your head in the wrong place. So again, we're now seeing some patterns and some similarities. We're seeing like another sort of model type of female with this particular offer. She's got a model body, looks good, and it's already framed towards a female audience. So you wouldn't want to send a dude over to this landing page, because the conversion rate for a dude in this offer will be very, very low in comparison to a female. So it's very important that you make sure you look at these offer pages, because they give you so many clues in terms of how you can angle it. There's no like magic trick. It's all about testing and testing and testing. But it's very important that you use the offer page for your benefit. Berry fit. So it's almost talking about like the natural remedies and like how you can utilize it probably has like certain ingredients that are important. You can see like there's an apple here, and if you can get some translation in, I'm sure the translation will talk about the ingredients of this product. So somebody who's focused on the ingredients in drinking something that will help them reduce weight, but at the same time not taking too many chemicals, it's very different to somebody who's converting on this one where it's bio slim and it seems very chemically created. And as you can see, there's a lot of detail that you may not see straight away. But if you want to make real money, you need to look at this as a business when it comes to affiliate marketing, cash on delivery. And you want to look at how, one customer will buy one product and why they wouldn't buy the other product, right? So there's different sub-segments within each offer and within each sub-vertical.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.